In this guide, I will provide practical solutions to help your device regain access to the mobile network. Fix 1. Restart device. Restarting the device is usually the easiest and most effective way to resolve network-related issues, and during the reboot process, the device refreshes the system and apps to resolve some temporary operational bugs. Fix 2. Reset network. Open your phone's Settings app. Scroll down to select General Management. Tap on the Reset option. Select Reset Network Settings. Tap Reset Settings. Then check if the disconnected from mobile network status fault has been fixed. Fix 3. Fix Android system errors safely and easily. Go to isunshare.com in any browser. Download iSunshare Android Password Genius on Windows PC. Install it on the computer. Connect your Samsung device to the computer. Then launch the software. Click Install to install a Samsung USB driver for mobile phones. Click the Start button. Input device information. Read the warning to get informed in what you should pay attention during the process. Input the device information. Click on Path to define where to store downloaded firmware package and where to decompress it. Confirm entered device information and click the Download option. After downloading, it will decompress and decrypt the firmware package by itself. Choose your phone type and follow the steps below to operate it. Complete the operation on the phone. Hold volume down, home and power buttons at the same time. Press volume up button. Click the Start button to start performing repairs. Wait the program to repair the Android device with patience. Activate your phone normally. That's all there is to today's topic. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you succeed in one of the methods. If you like the tutorials on our channel, please subscribe to us.